Here's a quick jig that I've put up to punch holes in the OHP sheet that will be going on the face shield. So here's the OHP sheet. As you can see, the holes have been punched out. And here's the face shield with the visor mounted on it. So what I've done is I've just hot glued two punching machines on a piece of scrap MDF, and this piece of iron rack is just a stop block to mount the OHP sheets at the perfect distance. Right. Also what I've done is I've just angled these punching machines slightly outwards. The reason to do that, the holes make an arc shape, and what happens with the arc shape is that when we mount this OHP sheet on the face shield, the curvature of the face shield is even from top to bottom and doesn't tend to flat out at the bottom as you would normally see in other shields. So let me show it to you how it works. So take a few OHP sheets. I take around 3 to 4 at a time because that way it's much faster. Put it in the jig. Just make sure that the corners are all matched up. Okay, and just then punch the holes. And it's as simple as that.